I make this income. Hello and welcome. This is Khalid Hasan once again. Today I will show you step by step that how I make this income and how you will make this income with every types of proof. So let's get started. Basically this was my first client and I will show you that how actually I make this income, what process I followed, and actually I will show you first the payment proof, then I will show you step by step what actually process I followed. And number one thing, it will be payment proof, and number two is every process that I follow I will show you. So if I go my Pioneer, so I'm just going my Pioneer account. As you can see, this is my Pioneer account and I'm just going to my account activity section, and I will just showing my every types of payment proof. So I'm just going transactions section, and now I will show you every types of transaction. And basically this is my first client from cold mail outreach. I'm just going to custom date. I'm just putting. So yeah, this is all report here. So if I go past here, so I'm going to load more. As you can see, this is my first payment from this client, and I done one project and then he was very happy and he provided me another project. So this is one and this is two. So if I go to calculator, that 230 and 80, so 230 plus 80, so total is $310 from this client. So this is real payment proof. So I take this payment from Pioneer. By the way, if you don't have Pioneer account, you can easily check my description box and you will get the affiliate link. You can go and just simply provide your information and create a free Pioneer account. So I'm just reloading this. So I'm just loading more. Oh, wait a minute, just going past here. Load more. And yeah, this is the payment proof. So I think you understand that this is a real payment proof. So payment proof is clear. Now I will show you that how I actually get this client and which process I follow. So please watch this video till the end, because this video will help you to get client with 100% free outreach. So before jumping the tool that I'm using currently to send cold mail, you need to know that actually which service I'm providing to my client and actually who am I. So if I type my website, this is my website. So famemedias.com, this is my website, and as you can see, this is my agency website. So you can see that there is many videos. Basically this is, you can say this is my portfolio. So this is all my great video editing, and this is my shorts, and also this is my thumbnail design. So actually this is a agent's website and I'm the founder and CEO of Media. So I'm just providing video editing services to my client, and if you have any types of skill, you can start work and start make some income, right? So you need to do it step by step, right? So I'm just going to this tool that I'm always using and getting results. So this is called a Mail Meteor, and this is a free email sending tool, and I'm just going to show you something. This is my campaign. So if I go, so yeah, I sent 28 mail, and if I go back, you can see I sent a lot of mail from this tool. So this is good because I take this client from these tools, and yeah, this is working for me. And if you really want that, you need a step-by-step tutorial about how I set up cold email campaign in this tool. I will make a dedicated video about this. So you just comment me that you need a mail meteor full step-by-step guide video. And for the lead, you should go YouTube and find the mail from there. So I will make a detailed video on this. So just comment me. So everything is clear. And finally, I will show you the script that I am using to send this cold mail. So this is a script, and I will just send you totally free, no problem. So if you need this, you should comment. So this is, and you should follow up minimum 4 times, then you can get good results from this cold mail campaign. Basically all about testing. You should test and you will get some results. So this all script I will put my description, and you can just easily take this, and some changes you need to do, and then you can easily use. So I think everything is clear now. You can understand that you can make money too by selling your services, and you can easily get some client by cold mail. So if you like this video, please like this video, and yeah, you should subscribe and comment me below that which problem you're facing and how much time you are spending on this process. So see you soon.